Hello, I'm Natalia from Inspiration Studio. This tutorial video is about simplified one-side mosaic pillow construction. I usually start with a small back side, make a chain stitch foundation, then double crochet rows starting with triple turning chain. Once the piece is approximately 6 cm wide, at the end of the last row make an additional 4 chain stitches, cut up the yarn, pull it through the loop and tighten. Now we can start the front side, adding the border stitches at the same time. In the first row, make an additional 4 chain stitches, 1 work DCs. At the end of the row, make additional 3 DCs into the chain stitches. At the beginning of the second row, work additional 3 DCs into the chain stitches. As a result, we should have 6 additional board stitches. After working 5 DC rows with beige, in the 6th row we can start with brown yarn. If you need more information about multicolor rows, watch my video 3 methods how to crochet tapestry rows. The link is in the description below. Once the pattern is ready, work additional 5 double crochet rows in beige. For the back side, I usually reduce chain stitch foundation and work approximately 6 stitches less as for the front side because of the different gauge. Check if the width of the back and the front pieces matches. Start with crochet single crochet rows. Once the bottom band is 3 cm long, make triple turning chain and begin to crochet DC rows. Work DC rows until the back side has the same length as the front side without the small piece. For the assembly, fold first the border stitches and the small piece inside. Then cover the front piece with the back piece, wrong sides together, and join the pieces along the perimeter. Attach the yarn approximately 6 cm from the corner. Join 2 pieces together along all sides using single crochet or flat seam. Sew the push buttons in such a way that they are invisible from the front side. The full instructions and the pattern can be found on my Ravelry page. Like this video and see you soon!